Hello and welcome to IMG 340 Computed Tomography Applications. My name is Darcy Crosso and I will be teaching this 8-week course. A lot of you know me from 330 and I just wanted to take a few minutes to go over the syllabus, much like I did for 330, and highlight a few of the important parts. So to begin, this is a 3-credit-hour course and it is fully online. The first day of the course is Monday, March 11th, and last day of the course is Sunday, May 5th. Please take a look at the withdrawal dates for your 100%, 50% refunds, and your withdrawal with your W grade. So there are 2 books that you are going to need for this course, the Serum book and also the Romans book. I sent you an email a few weeks ago letting you know, giving you that heads up, letting you know that you are going to need the additional book for this course. So this is a completely online course delivery, just like 330 was. It is going to be ran very similarly to 330. A lot of the due dates are the same, such as like the discussion post. You are going to be responsible for posting your initial post by Wednesday of the week it's due, and then your 2 peer responses are going to be due on the Saturday of each week, unless otherwise noted. Take a look at the points layouts for the grades right here. So this is a 1,000-point course. You will have 2 projects in this course, the patient safety project and also the pediatric protocol project. The patient safety project weighs the most heavily, which is 200 points, and then the pediatric protocol project is worth 150 points. The patient safety project is a 5-part paper that you will be writing, and the pediatric protocol project is actually a good marriage between some content with a discussion and a video. So you will be laying out a PowerPoint presentation, you'll be creating one, and then developing that into an actual video, and you'll be posting it for your peers to view. And then you will also give some feedback to your peers as you will review their videos, and then you will give feedback on theirs. You will do that to 2 of your peers, and it will work just much like the discussion posts work. There are 2 rubrics that I really want you to look at. There is a rubric for the pediatric protocol project and then a rubric for the patient safety project. I will give you a heads up if that rubric will be modified in the next few weeks. I'll make sure that you know that the rubric is changing. I will post it on the course announcements if it does. So going on, we will have the regular discussion boards like I discussed just a few minutes ago. We'll have worksheets for this course, which is new from 330, and the 2 projects I discussed as well. There will be weekly quizzes, and there will also be a final exam. The final exam will be starting April 28th, and it will be due on May 4th. Please be sure to log in at least 3 times each week just to make sure that you're staying up to date on the content in the course, and of course up to date on any posts that your peers make. I will post any changes in the course to assignments or rubrics, as I said, or anything else. Any tips or advice, I'll be posting that in the course news in the announcements section. And if you ever need to get a hold of me, my office hours are very flexible. Usually I am very responsive to urgent matters by text, so if you need to get a hold of me right away, need an answer, go ahead and text me or call me. Email's fine too, and I've had students get a hold of me in the Canvas messages section as well, and that's fine as well. Any way you can get a hold of me, just make sure you're actually reaching out, and then we can work on whatever issue you have. Late policy, just make sure that you're staying on time with your deadlines. There is a 10% per day deduction for the late work, and late work will not be accepted more than 7 days after its due date. And then take a look at the course schedule and make sure you're writing it down or have it posted or have it handy for whatever works best for you as far as your planner or your calendar. We will go by those course dates pretty firmly for deadlines. Other than that, if you need anything throughout the course, just like 330, I'm here for you. Go ahead and reach out. Let me know if you need anything. I'm here for you. And if you have any issues with the projects, you just let me know, and I can work through that as well with you. All right, well, this will be a great 8 weeks.